Tobe Morrow, principal designer at Morrow & Co. Come on in to my latest project in Brentwood, California. I had a crazy idea to put trees in the entry, and my client indulged me. And we're here in California where the doors are always open, so I wanted that first look at the entry to be warm and inviting. Welcome to the great room. This is where the family comes to hang out. Everything is very comfortable, and as you can see, it's soft, inviting. There's lots of different spaces. I think it's very important to add different layers. For example, we have travertine on our tabletops here. We have a leather tray. We also added some wood, some vintage pieces. It's always great to just kind of add a little bit of everything to make the final product. Instead of doing the normal bookcase, I decided to build this beautiful case for their special items. I also added these unlacquered brass vintage poles. So as the years progress, it's going to patina and add more character to this beautiful home. One of my absolute favorite things in this kitchen is the gorgeous marble. I loved it so much, I had to do 2 islands. And not only 2 islands, but I took the marble up the back wall and added 2 floating shelves covered in the marble. And it was the basis for our entire color palette, from the lighting to the white oak cabinetry and even down to the hardware. And with the beauty in the kitchen, I wanted to have a little bit more fun in the breakfast nook. In this space, we decided to a classic black and white marble floor, and adding the swing was just the icing on the cake. This swing was a labor of love. We made it ourselves. We sourced all of the materials down to the rigging chain. I loved designing this space, and I love it even more that it's my client's favorite place to have coffee. However, if you're looking for a more adult beverage, come to the parlor. The inspiration for the parlor was old Hollywood. We wanted some dramatic materials, as you can see in this gorgeous marble. And underneath we have a coved walnut wood that takes us all the way down to the toe kick. We continued this beauty all the way through the back bar. We have gorgeous walnut shelving with a mercury glass mirror, all well lit. And when the party dies down and the guest leaves, the family retires upstairs to their bedrooms. The primary suite is all about luxury and sophistication. And when it comes to sophisticated interiors, we decided to go with this elevated headboard. We have a walnut, which is kind of grounding to the room, and a very, very soft velvet touch. Another statement piece is this gorgeous mantle. We decided to do a double layer of marble with a beautiful return into the fireplace. And we added a beautiful vintage mirror. And to complete the vibe of this room, we wanted to add layers and texture, and we did that with pillows and fabrics. And the level of luxury continues in the primary bath with the gorgeous Japanese soaking tub made from teak. In this space, we have natural materials like white oak cabinetry, limestone floors, and beautiful shower walls made out of Taj Mahal slabs. The primary suite is the absolute best place to start and finish your day. Well, that's it for the tour. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you on the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.